another episode of Wake and Bake. So it's already February, and that means it's time for Valentine's Day. So today we'll be making Valentine's Conversation Heart Cookies with a little surprise inside. So not only did I want to make it with love, I wanted to fill it up with love. So we're gonna add little heart sprinkles right into the middle of the cookie, so that whoever you give it to can break it open for a little surprise. These are perfect for Galentine's Day, for giving out to your girlfriends or any of your friends, as well as your significant other. And you can change up the wording on the conversation hearts to customize it to the particular person you're giving it to. All right guys, let's get started. For ingredients, we're gonna start with 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of butter, cubed, and 1 egg mixed with 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to use my mixer and add in my 1 cup of butter. And then I'm going to mix that until it's nice and smooth. Then I'm going to add in the 1 cup of sugar. And I'll add this in a couple batches as it continues to mix. Once the sugar is done, I'll go ahead and add the vanilla extract and egg mixture. After the mixture is just incorporated, I'll add in my flour. You'll want to stop mixing when the flour is just incorporated into the wet mixture. Then it's time to roll out our dough. I like to always put dough in between 2 pieces of parchment paper, so it makes it way easier for cleanup and I don't have to use extra flour. All done, and we're ready to cut out some heart cookies. I'm going to be using this red heart cookie cutter. Go ahead and lay them all out on some parchment paper. And now I have a mini heart cookie cutter that I'm going to cut the insides of the middle layer of cookie. This is where we're going to put our surprise sprinkles. And we're going to put it in the oven at 375 degrees for 8 minutes. While the cookies bake, we're going to prep the decoration. So I'm going to use a ball of pink fondant, which is going to be the top layer of the cookie. And I'm just going to roll it out into a nice thin layer. Now it's time to cut out the fondant with the same heart cookie cutter. Now that the cookies are out of the oven and cooled, we can go ahead and start decorating. We'll go ahead and use some white royal icing as the glue and add that to the middle part of the cookie, which is the cutout. We'll place that directly onto the bottom layer of the cookie. Once the bottom 2 layers are finished, we'll go ahead and add the fun part, the sprinkles. We'll add the pink sprinkles right into the middle of the hearts. After we filled up our cookies, we're going to go ahead and use a little bit more royal icing to add the top layer of cookie. Once our surprise sprinkles are covered, I'm going to add a little bit of water to the top layer, which is going to act like glue, and then we're going to add our pink fondant on. Now we're going to add our little sayings onto the hearts. I'm going to do cutie and royal icing for this cookie. I will let this dry for about 15 minutes. I want to add a pop of gold, so I'm going to use some edible gold powder and a little bit of clear vanilla extract to paint right onto the white royal icing. And there you have it, our sweet conversation heart surprise cookies. And those are our cute little Valentine's Day cookies. I love adding the touch of edible gold because it just makes everything pop. But if you don't have any edible gold, it's totally fine. You can just write it in white royal icing. And feel free to fill it up with any type of sprinkles that you like. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the like button if you like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!